Kylo and Eric. Kylie and Eric. They rated me earlier. Like a dumbass. I forgot to shout them out, chat. But all them people were from their channel, so. If I hit here, it's going right straight back to my channel. So that means they're hosting me, right? This is Noah. He's walking my key all the time, too. Hey, Noah. How you doing, man? He's a walker for years. You get to meet people. I gotta learn to shout out people, chat. See, I walk for people that can't walk. I gotta fix that. The event that was in June. Exclamation point surf. But it takes you to their site. They might have another one up. Maybe I should check it. Alright, we're gonna check it out, chat. Let's see what they got on that link. Doesn't mean there's not something there. There might be a new one. Okay, let's see what they got. accesssurf.org. Upcoming events. Still gives you info though. Information. Yeah, it's like a non-profit thing. Upcoming events. Click here for upcoming events. September 3rd, see you at the beach. Location Plains, White Plains Beach. The date, the beach, chat. So yeah, there might not be that event in June, but there's other events there. Just a little link. I bumped into him. Taking people out here. Surfing. Hanging at the beach. Now, it sounds kind of bad, you know. My friend was couldn't walk. My best friend. And he didn't like being called handicapped. I forgot what he liked to. I just call my friend, you know what I mean? He was also a veteran during that era, 1972. He was crazy, that guy. So he bought a Z28, wasn't happy with it. So he was crazy. Wasn't happy with it, so you know how when they rake yards and stuff, you'll put everything in bags. They'll let them dry first, for in the fall time. So he filled up the Z28 with a bunch of leaves. Brand new Z28, not even, not that old. He just wasn't happy with it. The neighbor drove by. He always says the neighbor drove by. And he borrowed a lighter or matches, whatever, and commenced on lighting the thing on fire. And then he went into the house and he grabbed marshmallows and wieners, and he's out there roasting them on the car when the police got there. Yada, yada, yada. So he's in the psych ward. I guess he was kind of pissed, aren't you? And they would try to take his money, but you can't take a fully disabled vet. You can't touch your money. They were trying to, though. It's kind of funny, though. He was a character, that dude. Character. Supposed to be walking on the beach any minute now, chat. Jeez. I gotta change that. What bot was that on? Night bot? No? Streamlabs. Change that. I don't know if I'm ready to walk the waves that way, chat. Unrelenting the waves. Just keep coming, man. Seems to me like we could capture the waves, right? The power. We can generate power from the waves. I don't know about the cheaper data plan that just came up, chat. I don't know. I haven't seen any discounts for Google Fi. From people clicking a link. And the max you get is $200, I think, or something. Maybe everybody use it up or something. See, here's a holokai. I guess they are going out today, chat, but it's kind of hard. They might be going farther over now. They usually go by the Sheridan, but it's too rough. The real challenge is coming up. I think I didn't drink too many beers to get a little healthy. Shorebird Beach Boiler used to be here, chat. They're remodeling it right now, so I wonder what it's going to be. We're going to score if it's a Shorebird Beach Boiler. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, we better watch close, chat. These waves can nail you, man. Wait for that big guy in the back. The white cap. Look at this guy. We got two coming in right here. This one. This guy right here. He looks kind of big. Yeah, see, that would have nailed us, chat. Take a break. You think you're safe, chat, you're not. If anything, this is how you learn how to get soaked walking Waikiki Beach. Look at that. Wait for this big guy right here to come in. Not this guy right here. See him? He's coming. He's coming. Somewhat big. And go for it, chat. Oh man, this one doesn't look small either. Yeah, we missed that puppy, man. I got like the live view's $1,000. The camera's $650. The battery's $150. The modems are yada yada. Yeah, it's not cheap. It's not cheap to get splashed by a wave out here, chat. And usually I'll lose my AirPods. Like before I was just walking, right, without the camera. Walking Waikiki. Yeah. I lost 2 sets of AirPods out here. 3, the other one don't count because I lost it like off the beach. The Halekulani Hotel. It's kind of expensive sometimes. I don't know. Kind of expensive. Some rooms are 10 grand a night. I don't know. This guy's looking kind of wavy. Something's kind of cool about, like, in Michigan too, you have the freshwater waves. Michigan freshwater waves are kind of cool. Lake water, chat. So yeah. This is Gray's Beach, chat. And the waves do make it all the way up there. I lost a pair of AirPods. Like, no, my battery got soaked right here, chat. That water hits your battery, you're done. I'm waiting for that big guy right there. We'll just let him come in. This guy right here. Let him come in. Now go get the next one way out there. You were schooled, chat. Wash off our paws over here. I guess they do later in the day.